Don't record. Pick up my own page. Okay. How look?
Good.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chelly. Today we are making shirts for our UPS crew. Our local UPS, if you are familiar, we have free local pickup. The UPS crew, they pass out orders and they all said they want a shirt. They want to wear a Flash Custom Transfer shirt. If you've seen another video on Straight Outta Content, we have Tim, and one of our shirts, and now everybody else wants a shirt. So I got all their size, all the girls. I forgot their name. Alex, Samantha, I forgot their name. But anyways, we have 4 shirts, so we're gonna do 4 shirts real quick. We have somewhere to be. We have a meeting. We have to leave in about 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna whip these up real quick and show you how fast you could make 4 shirts with our DTF transfers. Today we're gonna be using Gildan Soft Style. It is comparable to Bella Canvas. If you are familiar with Bella Canvas, great shirts, very soft, very, very high quality. And you can get those on Aviva's website, Aviva Wholesale. So we're gonna go ahead and just kinda
let's do a timer here. So it's 11:14. So let's see how fast we can be done.
So I'm gonna do it fast. I'm not gonna slow down for you.
No, go ahead, go fast.
Okay, let's go.
Just Shelly's fast. So
I am fast. So we do have a t-shirt guide. This will be in the description if you need help to kind of measure where to put your design and things like that.
Are you gonna do it?
I don't use this. I'm a professional.
Oh yeah.
This is our professional
That's Shelly's
tool.
tool.
Here you go. Yeah. So Carl will be using the t-shirt guide. It's so dark under here.
Well, not for the camera. Is it dark for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you was a professional.
First, I am a professional. That's why I said it's okay. So this is our image, and this is a standard image, 10 width for adult size. Go ahead and fold it here to find my center. Pinch the top is my center. So we're gonna go down 3 inches and we are going to center it. This is a small, size small. So this, oh, you made it tight. We gotta loosen this. Yeah, it shouldn't be that tight for a shirt. You do want heavy pressure.
Press last. You press last.
Oh, you do want heavy pressure at 310 for 12 seconds for the first press. And then the second press, you definitely let it cool and then press another 6 seconds. This will also be in the description. A handy dandy fan. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, that little boy used the fan, right?
Little boy.
The little boy that did the video for you that you still ain't shouted out yet. Oh, by the way, shout out to Basement 215. I just saw your new video, guys. Guys, he's almost to 1,000 subscribers. I've done a video on him before. Basement 215 just did another review, but it wasn't even a review for our transfers. He was filling an order, like a 4-shirt order for this guy, and he just did a most recent video, and he's almost to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys could, if you're still watching this, could you please go subscribe to Basement 215 on YouTube? He's a really good guy coming up in this business, just like you if you're watching this. And he got a new press, slide out press and everything.
Unboxing on that as well.
Yes, yep, guys. So please go subscribe to him and go get him to 1,000 subscribers. Shelly's almost there with VSG. But yeah, maybe the 30 people that you need to subscribe will do it. But listen, babe, yeah, remember the little boy.
Ooh,
the little,
I don't
your little, how you say nephew in Spanish?
I think nieto.
Nieto?
But who, baby?
Your little shorty, the little niño doing the video, pressing. How do you don't remember that?
Where? On Facebook? On YouTube?
It was either on Facebook or on something
they
like that.
were pressing a Flash Custom Transfers?
I think so.
Baby, what are you
I'm being serious. There's a little boy like this, and I was like, oh, listen to his accent.
And it was with our brand?
I don't know. I want to say it was, because he was doing a little video. How you don't remember that? That's sick. That's, guys, I remember little buddy. Straight out of content remembers little buddy.
Show me what you're talking about.
Baby, you showed it to me on your phone. It was a little boy like this at the... Oh, yeah, exactly. I got the do-rag on, otherwise I'd show myself.
That was sweet.
Oh, yeah.
That was sweet.
I'm about to go get a haircut. About to get woofing right now, trying to get my waves right. Anyway. But yes, thank you. So can you please shout him out? That was with our transfers, right?
Yes. Where was that video at?
Oh, she's flying. I don't know where that video was.
So yeah, I'm gonna find it, and I thought.
How do you not remember that little boy? It was so cute.
I got so much stuff going on.
It was so cute. Now what she's doing, guys. Don't think that she's done. She still has to second press these.
I already second pressed them.
Oh wow, she's doing fast. My bad. I thought you was putting them to the side, and letting them cool. But you got the fan.
That's how I run.
Yeah, so you'll see a lot of other people. They'll, which is totally fine. They'll press and then put it to the side, and then press something else and then come back and peel it. But because we have the fan, she's able to do it that fast. Because the video, we've only been recording for 6 minutes and 8 seconds. And so, yeah, she's almost done. And that's 4 shirts.
Yeah, I think it doesn't take long to do 4 shirts at all.
Not at all.
Whip them up. Highest quality, DTF. I'm not going to pull there because I don't want to mess up their shirts. But please visit our social medias, channels, and you can see all the stretch tests that we have.
Here we go.
Oh, my nails aren't all righty like they were in the other video.
Maybe a chili tap.
My new chili. It's called a chili glide.
Oh, okay.
Here, kind of glide all over everything. And you always hit it for the model shot. Oh. That's the money shot.
They're gonna say, oh, her face is so clear.
I know. I don't know why.
I know why.
Get that money shot.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Get that money shot.
We gonna get a red money sign.
We ain't.
We gonna get me. I'm gonna get a red money. They were inappropriate in their video.
Never.
They were inappropriate.
Okay, hush.
She don't got no makeup on, dude.
No.
Yeah, see, that's what this is.
I didn't have time.
Raw, natural.
Well,
beauty.
I didn't want to. Does it look good? I look good?
Well, not when I do that, but raw, natural beauty. Look at her. Glow. Let me let the light hit. Look at the glow.
Oh, hold on. Let me do.
Yeah. Look at the glow.
The model. That money shot.
That money shot. We're so happy, guys. 7 minutes and 51 seconds into the video.
Oh, look, we're playing.
We're playing. So if you're doing this fast, in an 8-minute standard YouTube video, you can finish 4 shirts.
Well,
easy.
we did intro. We did all kinds of
Yeah, I know.
tokens.
So really, probably 5 minutes. About a little 5 minutes, a little couple, it's less than a minute a shirt if you're really being serious.
Yeah, because it's only 12.
Yeah, 12 seconds.
And then
10
time
seconds. 10
is
seconds.
about...
With the fan, 10 seconds.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Yeah, I do highly recommend you guys get a fan. I think it's the best investment that I've gotten. And it's now just a part of my equipment. Like, I will suggest, please get a fan. I mean, you can use these things to kind of cool down, but this just seems like next level.
Yeah, we were going to try to source these from China to find them and sell them, but it's just the same as putting it in a link in the description below.
Yeah.
We just put it in a link in the description below, and then you guys can just click it and purchase it. And like I said, the little boy had a fan.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The little boy, he had a fan, so that's it.
4 shirts.
That's it, 4 shirts.
Strongest transfer in the world. DTF transfers, Flash Custom transfers. Look at that. High quality. Look at those colors. Vibrant colors. Shout out to everyone at UPS. Shout out to everyone who has taken advantage of our free local pickup. We did that for you guys. We appreciate you. Please be kind to all of the UPS people, which you are all being kind, but just be very gracious. And just remember, they don't have any answers on your orders. If you have any questions about your order or anything like that, please contact us by email. They do not know anything. They are just being kind and passing your transfers to you. What?
You just reminded me, we shot a whole shipping box video that we never even put out. I think that was on your phone. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can visit us online, flashcustomtransfers.com. And anything else?
Go get them 22x60s.
22x60s are flying off the shelf. And we do have a exciting flash giving Black Friday event that we are working on. We just started talking about it this morning, so we don't have the logistics, but please stay tuned. We know we always hook you guys up when the holiday season's here, and it's about giving. And you know, Flash Custom Transfers, straight out of content, Chell and Carl, we're all about giving. So we love you guys, And don't forget those free stock images. Speaking of giving, we are giving away free stock images for instant download on the website. Love you guys. Bye. All right, real quick, we are just, I'm just packing up these shirts, and I wanted to share with you these packing t-shirt bags. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but this is something that I used a lot when I was making custom apparel. They sell them on Amazon, and we're gonna link this in the description as well. This is about a 12 by 15 t-shirt packing bag. So look, if you look here, you're able to pack your t-shirt. Always put a business card because you never know. Take off the back and it has sticky, fold it, you're ready to go. Nice little professional packing for your custom apparel. So we will link that. If you have any questions, just let us know.